we're rolling. Hey, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
I'm going to give you a fake name. What if you could pick a fake name, what would it be?
Kim.
Whoa, that's exotic. Okay, Kim. What's going on with your arms, Kim?
I have a rash.
Have you ever had it like that before?
Nope.
Wow. Does it itch?
Yes,
Kim?
it itches terribly.
And when did this show up?
About 3 days ago.
3 days ago. Did you change laundry detergent?
No.
Did you get a new pet?
No.
Did you go camping or hiking?
No, but we did do Christmas lights outside.
Aha. Really?
So
Okay. Have you tried any over-the-counter medicines to help?
Just Benadryl.
Does it help much?
No.
Maybe a little bit?
Maybe a tiny bit.
Maybe a tiny bit. Okay. And you put some ointments or rubs or lotions or
I
anything
put
like that?
calamine on it.
Calamine. Did that help with the itching a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I can see you've been scratching too.
Yes, like crazy.
Yeah. See, that's all look like it's open from excoriations. Okay. Well, we're going to play Guess the Rash and let everybody make guesses. And you don't mind if we show your rash off to 100 million YouTube viewers?
It's okay.
It's okay with you? All right, Kim. Well, thanks for sharing. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye. You're
Pause.
live. You're live. There's no
And
pausing.
So, I've been taking Dr. Gilmore's Meta 7 along with a Women's Ultra Mega Greens multivitamin and started that about 4 months ago, and now I can remember things. I've dropped 10 pounds at least. My husband is now taking it. Our memory is better. We're both losing weight. Literally, body's reshaping itself, and our family's now taking it, and we love it.
That's what I've
Absolutely
noticed
love
too, is that body reshaping. I feel like it's reshaping me.
Exactly.
It's really weird.
Ryan,
right?
too.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
And-
I feel thinner, and even though I haven't really lost any weight, but I'm not trying to lose weight.
It's
but I feel-
reshaping Ryan's body too,
Yeah.
which is making him feel great as well.
That's
and
awesome.
My father and mother-in-law, they both love it.
Mm-hmm.
They have Ryan has a photographic memory, and even now taking this, he's sleeping better. He's eating better. He's not feeling fatigue. I'm not feeling fatigue, especially with all the medicines I take.
You do look more alert.
Right? I'm awake.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
I play with my daughter now. I'm not ready to go to bed at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So,
No brain fog in the afternoon, right?
right,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Perfect.
Less caffeine too, believe it or not. So,
Awesome.
everybody take it. Can't say enough about it.
Thanks.
Thank you.